Hello and welcome to Alphati Living. My name is Maksemos and it's a pleasure to have you here. You're here because you want a new kitchen or bathroom, right? Maybe you want to design an interior space in your home. Maybe you want some advice. Maybe you're just after some color consulting advice, material consulting, appliance selection. At Alphati Living, we've got your back. Make sure you spend some time to have a look at our website. On our services page, we have a list of all the things that we could help you with. If it's not there, give us a call and I'm surprised if we can't help. Make sure you also look at our inspiration gallery. Have a look at our case studies and understand how we solved the problem and look at all the solutions. You might even want to shop our ready-made designs. Now, this is a very exciting part of our business. We're offering designs. Yes, we're offering designs for you to purchase. If you have the know-how, you'll be able to adjust them. And if you have the skill set, you'll be able to supply and install yourself. If it's too much, we're here to help. Why are we so confident we can help? I've been working as an industrial designer for over 20 years. That's 20 years of knowledge acquired, now you're the beneficiary of. At Alphati Living, we strive for excellence. We've developed a very simple 3-step process, 3 phases that take you through a journey to make this process as simple as possible. Because let's face it, renovating or building can be quite chaotic, stressful, and overwhelming. And remember, free measuring quotes are never really free. We have a wealth of knowledge. Well, for 20 years and thousands of spaces later, we can confidently design any kitchen, any space, in any home, provided we can drive there. If we can't get there in person, we can even design online. The past few years have been challenging, but it's really taught us what we're made of. Yes, we can even design your kitchen without even stepping foot in your home. Let me talk to you about our process. On our bookings page, there is a very detailed explanation, but let me make it simple. What do you think the first phase would be? Picking my colors. Bow. No, absolutely not, absolutely not. The first phase is consultation. Now, believe it or not, this is the most important phase because guess what? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. I can't coin that one. No, it's true. If we fail to plan from the start, if we fail to analyze the space, understand what the space can actually do, we need to understand if you're moving walls, you want to put a window in. We want to understand if there's anything structural and get the right expert in to help. The consultation phase also sets some ground rules. It sets realistic expectations of what your space can achieve and also what your budget can achieve. Let's face it, it's not an endless pit. And you don't want to sell any organs to pay for the kitchen. Same goes for a bathroom. During the consultation phase, we talk about materials, we understand your appliance expectations, but we analyze the situation. Because I'm using my industrial design skill set in this space, I'm able to use a design thinking methodology. That means I'm understanding what the problem is first before we can even try to solve it. See what I mean? Consultation is definitely the most important part. Once we've understood what the space can do, and if that's all you want, then that's fine. Off you go into the sunset. But if you want to move further down the track with us, we move into phase 2, design. Design is just as important, but for me, it's the most fun part because this is the part where we actually show you how we've solved the problem. We only use state-of-the-art technology. We've invested in programs that will communicate the drawings, the design, floor plan, elevations. We make sure we step you through every single box, every single component so you are aware of exactly what you're paying for. Once you sign off those designs, and the process can end there. If you feel confident enough to supply them yourself, then that's fine too. See, we try to make this process very transparent and very simple. But if you want us to help you supply, guess what? This is the phase where our little black book is open to you and you have access to some of the most amazing suppliers in Australia. The suppliers, the cabinet makers, the stonemasons, the material suppliers. Ever heard of, I need to get 3 quotes? You can at least get the same design quoted so you can have an apples for apples approach. After phase 2 and the design is completed, you will at least have a design you can shop around. Why is that so important? Well, instead of getting 3 different quotes from 3 different companies, 3 different designs, and being overwhelmed, you'll be able to have the one design that you love and that has solved the problem with the correct materials and appliances selected. You'll be able to shop that design and get an apples for apples quote. Sound fair? If you want us to help you with that, we can too. That's phase 3. We then offer you quotes from our suppliers, trusted Australian manufacturers that actually want your business. Sound too good to be true? It's not, it's just fair. So why do people choose Alphati Living? We are obsessed about improving quality of life through design. We solve the problem, we give you choice, we offer transparency, and we make it fair. Head on over to our bookings page and make an appointment. Remember, we're only one appointment away from having a chat. You might want to book a free 20-minute consultation to see if we're a good fit and see if we'd like to work together. Or you could even book an appointment straight up. Don't hesitate. Give us a call, drop us an email, make sure you subscribe to all of our socials so you don't miss out on anything that we're doing. And please have a look around at our website. We'd love to hear from you. Happy designing the Alphati way. Bye.